In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change region on a Samsung phone. Let's get started by opening a web browser on your phone or computer. This step is crucial because you'll be accessing your Samsung account through the browser, so make sure you have a stable internet connection. Once your browser is open, type in the address for the Samsung account website. This is the central hub where you can manage all your account settings. Having direct access to this site is important as it ensures you're making official changes directly with Samsung's systems. Now go ahead and sign in to your Samsung account, enter your email and password, then click on the Sign In button. This is a secure process, so rest assured that your information is safe. Once you're logged in, you'll see your account dashboard. Next up, find the option that says Profile and click on it. This will take you to a screen where you can access all your personal account details. It's like your own personal control center. From there, click on Edit Personal Information. This is the area where you can make changes to your account data. Remember, being able to edit this information is a powerful tool for keeping your account up to date. Now, look for the option labeled Country or Region. This is where you'll be changing your region settings. Carefully scroll through the list and select your new country or region. Choosing the correct region is important because it can affect what services and content are available to you. With your new region selected, click on the Change button. This action initiates the update process. You'll see a confirmation message pop up on your screen. This message is there to ensure that the change you're making is intentional and correct. After reading the confirmation message, you'll see a confirmation box that needs to be checked. Checking this box is your way of verifying that you understand the change you're about to make. It's a small step, but it ensures you're in agreement with the change. Once you've checked the box, click Change again. This final confirmation step submits your request to update the region settings. You'll know it's successful when you see a confirmation notification appear. This confirms that your account region has been changed. At this point, you might be prompted to sign back in on your Samsung devices. This step is important because it synchronizes your account settings across all your devices. It ensures that your phone and other Samsung gadgets are updated with the new region information. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the region on your Samsung account. This process is vital for accessing region-specific services and content. It's a straightforward task, but it opens up new opportunities within the Samsung ecosystem. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, you can always revisit these steps if you need to change your region again in the future. Have a great day and enjoy the enhanced features and services now available to you in your new region.